Welcome to the beginner level of Microsoft Excel. In this section, you will learn how to create a new workbook, how to add or delete a worksheet, how to print a worksheet or workbook, how to use Excel as a calculator, how to fill data automatically in cells, and how to make a drop-down list. Let's get started and make Excel easy for you. So let's start at step 1, how to create a new workbook in Microsoft Excel and how to use a template to organize your data. First of all, open a Microsoft Excel, select a blank workbook, start typing and adding data if you have. If you want to use a template, then select a new template, search, choose one of the template or search for what you want, create the template. So you are created your first workbook. So in step 2, how to insert or delete a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Organize your workbook how you want. So first of all, you need to select any sheet. Once you are selected, then select Home, then Insert, and then Insert Sheet. Then double click the sheet name to rename it. Select Move or Copy, then Move to End. So then drag it to a new spot. To remove a sheet, right click and delete it. Or select Home, Delete and Delete Sheet. So, how to use Microsoft Excel as a calculator? How to subtract two columns and two numbers? First of all, select a cell, type is equal to, then type a number or select a cell, type minus, then type a number or select another cell. Press enter and get the result. So, how to use a division function in Microsoft Excel? First of all, select a cell, type is equal to sign, type a number or select a cell, type /, type a number or select another cell. Press enter and get the result. How to use multiplication in Microsoft Excel? Select a cell, type is equal to, type a number or select a cell, type steric, type a number or select another. Press enter and get the result. So how to fill data automatically in Microsoft Excel? Autofill function automatically fill the cells with data that follow a pattern. So select one or more cells that follow a pattern. Then drag the fill handle. If the autofill does not fill the cell with the data you want, select autofill options. Choose the option you want. So how to create a drop-down list to allow people to pick an item from a list. So in new workbook, type the item you want to appear in your list. Then select where you want to drop-down list to appear. Select data validation. Then choose list. Then select source. Then select item to appear in the drop-down list. Press enter and select OK and get result.